Different NATO allies deal with military sexual harassment and sexual violence in very, very different ways.
It's really hard to encourage people to this amazing fighting force when you can't honestly say to the next generation of men and women, it's worth it, it's worth the sacrifice. You'll be really well looked after when you're serving and when you leave. At the moment, a lot of us can't say that.
Research group on sexual violence was set up about 6 years ago to look at the challenges faced by different NATO countries with regard to sexual violence and sexual harassment within the military, and to try to come up with some principles for how we can actually manage and deal with those particular problems.
For NATO countries, it is really important that we have a common understanding of the behaviors that constitute sexual harassment, sexual violence. As many of our members, they serve together on joint NATO missions, and coming from different cultural backgrounds, the immediate motivation, of course, first the victims, the impact on physical and mental health, very often leading to PTSD and even suicide attempt.
I think the more that we can pull together and collaborate as NATO countries to then disseminate this knowledge and to make sure individual militaries are working together on this and trying to stop sexual violence within militaries globally, I think that can only be a good thing.